Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on Vivo T4R, T4 Ultra, T4 Pro, and any other T4 series or any other latest Vivo One Touch OS 15 version. By default, set the home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, or always on display wallpaper on your device. So, if you want to change this lock screen wallpaper or home screen wallpaper, tap and hold the black space on your Vivo home screen. Tap on the wallpapers at the bottom left corner. Now here you can see the list of different available wallpapers available on your device. Here you can just tap on it to show the different wallpaper. You can also set the live wallpaper like this on your Vivo device. That's amazing live wallpaper. Here you can see the flowers with the full bloom. This is the live wallpaper. So go back. Again tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the wallpapers. Now you can see the list of different wallpaper. Now tap on the three dots and you can see list of wallpaper here. Static wallpapers available on your Vivo device. Live wallpaper you want to set, just select the wallpaper and you can see the live wallpaper on your Vivo T4 series. Also see the kinetic wallpaper. You can see the different wallpaper of coral pink iris, royal gold iris. You need to download this if you want to use these kinetic wallpapers on your device. If you want to set photo from your phone gallery, tap on the gallery icon at the top right corner to set a custom photo. Now select the photo from your device, all images, videos you want. So select any image you want to set. So we select this photo. Now here you can set which photo you like. You can crop the image also. At the bottom you can see home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, or apply to both you want on your device. So select option. So we go back and select the default wallpaper from the available list, like here we select this wallpaper. Now here tap on the apply, or you can see the new combination. Tap on the new combination and you can see how it looks on your lock screen, home screen, or always on display. Make sure enable always on display. Tap on enable now. Go on this option. Now go back and you can find the always on display wallpaper here, lock screen wallpaper and a home screen wallpaper, how it looks. Just tap on the apply at the top right corner. We apply the wallpaper to home screen, lock screen. Now we apply wallpaper. Now tap on apply button. Now select the scope of application, lock screen, home screen, lock screen and home screen. So here we select only lock screen option here. So apply successfully. Now lock my Vivo device and you can see change the lock screen wallpaper on my Vivo T4 Ultra, T4R, T4 Pro, and T4X, and any other Vivo devices running the OS 15. So it's quite easy to change or set the wallpaper on your latest Vivo devices. That's it. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.